Hello and welcome to Chydee Crystal Kitchen. I am Chydee Crystal and I love food. I love food just beyond cooking. I love thinking about food. I love watching shows about food. I like reading about food, and I'm obsessed with food. So I know that there are people like me out there who love food as much as I do and who actually see food as a hobby to talk about. So if you are one of such people, then you are welcome to the family. I want to share my enthusiasm for food with you. So we'll be having like recipe videos, and we're having chats about food. We're having, conversations about the favorite things we like, different cultures and how it relates to food, and just all of that good stuff. So if you're someone who is passionate about food like I am, even if, despite your culture and, wherever you're coming from, then please subscribe to this channel. Let's exchange ideas. Let's share thoughts, processes together, and let's talk about food.